So guys, for the first method, maybe your touchpad has been disabled on your laptop. So if you look at your keyboard, there might be some keys that will let you enable it. For me, I'm using an Asus VivoBook, and to enable it, first I need to enable the FN keys. To do that on my laptop keyboard, I need to press on FN and escape at the same time, which will now enable FN keys. And now I'm going to select FN and I'm going to select F6 because this is going to enable my touchpad. I've now enabled it and now it works. So on your laptop, see if there's any keys that will let you enable your touchpad. See if that works for you. If that's still not working, then for the second method, you want to go to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. For the next method, you want to go to search and type in device manager. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to expand human interface devices. It might be showing you your touchpad here. Or if you expand mice and other pointing devices, it might be showing your touchpad here. So if it does show, you want to right click on it and then click on update driver and then click on search automatic for drivers. Make sure that you have the best drivers for your device installed. Also, you can right click on it. If it's been disabled, then you want to enable it. It will be saying for you enable device if it's already been disabled. So you want to click on enable device if you have that option, which will now enable it. See if that works. Make sure that your touchpad has been enabled. For the next method, you want to go to search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as an admin. And then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you want to type in msdt.exe space -id space device diagnostic and then click on enter. And now this will come up. You want to click on next. Wait for this to load. It should now be saying apply this fix. You want to click on that. And then click on next. And then click on enable. Wait for this to load. And now once that's been done, we can now close out of this. Now you want to restart your computer. And hopefully this will not fix your problem. If not, you should take your laptop to a repair shop.